Imagine biting into perfectly crispy French fries, golden chicken wings, or even a veggie-packed pizza, all without the guilt of drowning your food in oil. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this Chefman Turbofry Touch Air Fryer, XL 8QT family size, turns that dream into reality. This sleek, stainless steel powerhouse is here to revolutionize your cooking game, delivering healthier meals that don't skimp on flavor. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or someone who just loves a good crunch, this air fryer is about to become your kitchen MVP. Let's dive into why this gadget deserves a spot on your countertop. Why the Chefman Turbofry stands out. Air fryers aren't new, but the Chefman Turbofry brings something special to the table. It's not just about frying, it's about crafting meals that make your taste buds dance while keeping your wellness goals in check. With 98% less oil needed compared to traditional frying, you can indulge in your favorites without the calorie overload. From crispy fries to tender fish, this air fryer handles it all with ease, making it a versatile addition to any home. Plus, its family-sized 8-quart capacity means you can feed 4 to 6 people in one go, perfect for weeknight dinners or game day feasts. But what really sets this air fryer apart? Let's break it down. One-touch digital presets. No guesswork here. Choose from presets for French fries, chicken, meat, or fish, and let the air fryer do the heavy lifting. It's like having a sous chef at your fingertips. LED shake. As a reminder, ever ended up with unevenly cooked fries? The Turbofry's smart LED alert reminds you to shake the basket, ensuring every bite is perfectly crisp. Precise temperature control. With a range of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can fine-tune the heat to suit any recipe, from delicate veggies to hearty meats. Effortless cleanup. The Nonstick, dishwasher-safe basket and tray make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring. Intelligent safety features. The automatic shutoff and pause touch resume function. Keep safety first so you can cook with peace of mind. Sleek stainless steel design. This air fryer isn't just functional, it's a stylish addition to your kitchen that fits modern aesthetics without hogging counter space. Solving real kitchen problems. Let's face it, cooking can be a hassle. Between juggling busy schedules, dodging unhealthy takeout traps, and cleaning greasy pans, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The Chefman Turbofry tackles these pain points head-on. Time crunch? No problem. This air fryer cooks meals faster than a traditional oven, so you can whip up dinner for the whole family in minutes. Healthy eating. Made simple. Craving fried foods but watching your waistline? The Turbofry's low-oil technology lets you enjoy crispy goodness without the guilt. Messy cleanup? Not here. Say goodbye to scrubbing stuck-on grease. The dishwasher-safe parts and easy-to-wipe exterior keep your kitchen sparkling. Who's this air fryer for? The Chefman. Turbofry is a game-changer for anyone who loves food but hates the hassle. It's perfect for families. Feed 4 to 6 people with ease, whether it's a weeknight meal or a weekend gathering. Health enthusiasts. Cut oil usage by 98% without sacrificing flavor, ideal for clean eaters and fitness buffs. Busy professionals. Quick presets and fast cooking mean you can enjoy home-cooked meals even on hectic days. Gadget lovers. The sleek design and smart features make this a must-have for tech-savvy cooks. Real talk. What's the experience like? Using the Chefman Turbofry feels like unlocking a cheat code for cooking. The one-touch presets take the stress out of meal prep. Select your setting, pop in your ingredients, and let the magic happen. The LED shake reminder is a small but brilliant touch, ensuring every batch is evenly cooked without constant babysitting. I tossed in some frozen wings, hit the chicken preset, and in under 20 minutes, I had crispy, juicy perfection that rivaled my favorite takeout spot. Even better, no oily residue to deal with afterward. The 8-quart basket is a lifesaver for larger households. I easily fit enough fries and veggies for a family of 5 with room to spare. And the temperature range? It's a total flex. Low and slow for delicate fish, or high heat for that extra crunch on mozzarella sticks. Why you'll wish you got this sooner. This air fryer isn't just about convenience, it's about elevating your lifestyle. You'll save time, eat healthier, and impress your crew with restaurant-quality dishes made at home. The CETL-approved safety tech and 1-year assurance from Chefman give you confidence that this is a purchase built to last. Plus, its compact yet spacious design means it fits seamlessly into any kitchen, from cozy apartments to sprawling homes. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.